Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Yafei Zhao and today we are going to unbox another product called Sony RX100 Mark V, and it's not the latest product from Sony, but it is so far the best compact camera. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. Miso, come here. You are the main character today. Sony RX100 Mark V. The one I just unboxed a few days ago is RX10 Mark IV, which according to the Sony, they share the same 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS. So theoretically speaking, they have the same video and photo ability, but this one is smaller and is compact, so it doesn't perform that good like RX10, not even mention the Sony A7R Mark II. But you know, this is so small, so the advantage of this one is the portability. And look, it can record 4K, although it's only 5 minutes, and the overheat problem. You can also use the Play Memory camera app, because I bought like I think 5 or 4 apps on this camera, the Sony A7R Mark II. But a few days ago, when I unboxed this camera, the RX10 Mark IV, I can't use the app, only on this camera, RX100 and A7R Mark II. Anyway, let's cut the bullshit and start unboxing. Sorry, continue unboxing. Whoa, so many menus. This is the international version, so 1, 2, 3. It has a adapter inside, can't believe it. This camera has been opened already, I'm pretty sure. Adapter to the UK version, this is a European plug. The charger to convert DC power to the USB power. This is the body itself. Let me just put it here. We still have something left. I don't know what this is. And last thing we can see here is the battery. Wow, this is so small, this battery. Unfortunately, I don't have any spare batteries for this camera, so I might need to buy another 2 batteries from Amazon, just in case if I need them when I'm shooting vlogs outside. So this is our main character today. Have a look. Sony RX100 Mark V. This is so small. Look, compact camera. The battery, I think the battery is dead, so let me just give it a try. If it is good, then we can have a quick look of it. If not, I just charge it first and then we can. Oh, it has battery. And I just language to English, I guess. I don't think I still have any big storage SD card. If the writing speed is not ideal, then I will go to Amazon to get a new one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop! Stop, Miso! Miso, stop! You can't. Miso, she's biting the tripod. Oh, Miso is here. My little model is here. We can record some videos, give it a try. So this button is recording some. Okay, this is the video you can see from Sony RX100 Mark V. The first video footage. Miso, she's licking my knife. Maybe there is some oil on the surface, so he's licking that. Oh, the battery is going to die soon. Anyway, one thing I like the Sony RX100 Mark V is the flip screen. As you can see now, I'm recording and I can see my face on the screen. I never have same experience before because all the camera neither SMR Mark II nor the RX10 Mark IV has the same function. They can flip screen, but only 90 degrees, not 180 degrees. So this one, I can see my face, but it's kind of get me distracted in some way. Well, finally, but it's not help me to decrease the vibration. You see, kind of shaking actually. But anyway, I hope you like it. It's only an unboxing video, just like I said in last video. Oh, battery exhausted. I can say something at here. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching my video and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Anyway, this is only unboxing video. I will see you next time with a missile and I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.